Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some important updates and bug fixes that will make your workflow smoother than ever. This is a brief update, so let's get started. The cursor is now focused on the search box on assigning IRM equipment via the plus button in the equipment section of the subscriber dock. Unsuspending a package now generates an invoice with the current day as the invoice date, rather than using the term start date of the invoice item. The delay in displaying the loading cursor and closing the confirmation prompt after selecting Yes in the Hibernate or Reactivate settings in the V portal is now minimized. The missing list of packages without speed limits is now restored in the FCC 477 Fixed Broadband Subscription Report. That's all for now. If you have any questions about these changes or anything else related to Visp, feel free to drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.